Morning everybody, Grandmaster Hafner here. I want to talk about something that speaks to brown belts and black belts only, but if you're not a brown or a black belt, I want you to listen to this because someday you will be a brown belt and a black belt, hopefully. You know, there are four things that we pay attention to when analyzing student progress, four metrics. One of them is the way that a brown or black belt is doing with their homework. Another one is their class attendance. Another one is their participation in majors at the black belt level. And one of them is how they're doing with their progress checks. Now, some of these things are for black belts only, some are for black belts and brown belts. But what I want to talk with you about today is something that you're going to be getting in the mail within the next week or 10 days. We've come up with a progress report for brown and black belts. And what it is, this is really just kind of a prototype. And it might not look exactly like this, but it'll look something like this. And it just tracks what you did with homework, attendance, majors, and progress check participation over a 6-month period. So what we expect is that we will get these out to you this month, and then this summer in July you will get the next progress report, which has your participation in these things from January through June. Now, this is data that we use internally, and it's what we use to analyze student progress. And it occurred to us that we've been a little remiss in not sharing this data or not showing this data to the families so that they can look at it and see it the same way that we do. So watch for it in the mail in the next week or 10 days. You may have questions about it, and in that case you can email us, but keep an eye out for it. And we will probably do it the first time and find some things that need to be adjusted for the second time, and we'll make those adjustments. But I think it's going to be a real useful tool moving forward. Thanks.